Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you my pet project. Meek. He is an Arduino and Android powered robot, and I have an Android app installed in the mobile phone, and it acts as the brain of the robot, and it connects to the robot with the Bluetooth module, and it sends signals to the Arduino through that. So let's see what he can do. Nick, hello.
I am listening.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thanks.
Robot, listen.
I am listening.
Go forward.
Okay, moving forward. Command execution successful.
Okay, now I am going to show you that he can recognize our faces and follow us. So I'll initialize the face detection. Now the camera is running and we'll see what happens. So that is the face detection module. The camera of the mobile phone takes frames and it analyzes the face and it sends information to the robot via the Bluetooth module to move accordingly. This laser and the ultrasonic sensor tracks the person and measures the distance between the object and the person. So this is only the first version, it needs more improvements. So I would like to hear your comments and improvements and your suggestions. Thank you and thanks for watching.